So how do you do your best work? In today's day and age, there's so many people doing design, and you have to stand out from the crowd. You have to be different. You have to be peculiar and stand out from everyone else is doing it because it's so crowded, so flooded. So how do you do your best work? The thing is, you have to have a mindset. You have the mindset of excellence. You have to be excellent in everything you're doing. Whether it's you're sending your proposal, you're sending out the client mock-ups, or you're doing your research, or you're doing mind mapping. Whatever you're doing, you have to have the mindset that I'm going to do excellent work. I'm going to put out the best quality I can, and I'm going to put in the effort to produce something good that's going to wow my clients. Some people say, under promise, over deliver. You can do that when you're first starting out, but there comes a point where, you promise good quality and you give them good quality. You know what I mean? And because you got to see every client as another opportunity. You got to see one client as another 10 people, because, if you do good work for one person, they're most likely going to speak to other people and they're going to give you referrals and they're going to tell other people how good your work is. So you got to see yourself like that. You got to think like that. You got to produce the best work. Learn the skills, read the books, go watch tutorials on YouTube which are free on how to design better, how to get better with your typography, how to do guides, how to learn how to do logo design, learn about color theory, how to apply those color theories in your illustrations or your layouts or whatever it is. Go learn those tools so you can do great work. Because the thing is, when you do good work, it's gonna come back to you. You're gonna get customers returning back to you. Not only that, they're going to give you referrals, and you're going to stand out from the crowd, because if you just produce rubbish, then you're not going to get more clients and you're not going to grow. And you want to expand, especially if you're freelancing or even in your design career. You want to expand and grow and continually move forward. So you have to have this mindset. Everything I produce is going to be excellent. Learn how to produce good looking mock-ups and proposals and your presentations. And not only that, but learn how to communicate well over email. Be professional. Don't use words that are not appropriate. Always dress well, appear well, and that's gonna also carry into your design work. So it's all about the other things as well. It's not just about the design, but about these other areas that you can be excellent in will help you produce good work. So, you always do the best you can, and, make sure you're doing your research, make sure you're doing sketches, find a process that works for you to be able to be productive. And, you don't want to spend time and waste time on things that don't matter, that are not going to produce, a great logo design. For example, if you haven't done the research and you don't know the competitors, or you don't know what their brand guidelines are because you haven't, asked the client or communicated with them, then it's going to ultimately affect the outcome of what you present to them. And if they don't like it, then that's your fault, your responsibility, because we're the professional, we're the designer. So we need to make sure that we have all the relevant content and information to produce the work that's going to benefit them. Not just a deliverable, but something that's going to be a blessing to their business, that's going to help them grow, it's going to help them stand out and help them grow their brand equity. So yeah, those are just a few thoughts on how to do your best work. It's all about the process. It's all about learning and growing. And over time, once you start producing, once you learn the foundations and you've applied that knowledge and you exercised it, then of course you're going to be at a higher level that your quality is going to be awesome. So yeah, there's a few tips. Leave a comment below on your thoughts about doing your best work. Don't forget to subscribe for more content every week, and hope you guys have an awesome day.